This is one of the most practical and valuable projects in this course. You are going to build a complete AI marketing agency tool that performs tasks typically handled by expensive agencies. By the end of this project, you will have a working system that can audit websites, analyze marketing performance, evaluate competitors, and generate professional reports that can be shared with clients. This is not just a technical exercise. This is a real business opportunity. The system you are building is based on a skill-driven architecture. It includes multiple marketing commands, each responsible for a specific type of analysis. These commands work independently, but they can also be orchestrated together to perform a complete audit. The main command performs a full marketing audit of a website. It begins by analyzing the website, identifying its structure, and understanding the type of business. This includes detecting whether the business is a service provider, an online store, a software product, or another category. It then identifies key pages such as the home page, pricing pages, product pages, and contact information. After this discovery phase, the system launches multiple agents in parallel. Each agent focuses on a specific domain. One analyzes content and messaging. Another focuses on conversion optimization. Another evaluates search visibility and discoverability. Another performs competitor analysis. Another assesses technical performance. All of these agents run at the same time, which significantly reduces processing time compared to a sequential approach. Once all analyses are complete, the system combines the results. It calculates an overall score based on weighted categories such as content quality, conversion effectiveness, search performance, competitive positioning, and technical health. This score is then translated into a grade to make it easy to understand. After scoring, the system generates a structured report. This report includes an executive summary, detailed findings, prioritized recommendations, and a clear action plan. The findings are categorized by severity, allowing businesses to focus on the most critical issues first. The final step is generating a professional report. This can be produced in different formats such as PDF or HTML. The output is designed to be client-ready, with clear insights and actionable recommendations. This is the key deliverable that creates business value. The entire system is built using multiple skills. Each skill handles a specific function, such as analyzing content, evaluating search performance, reviewing competitors, or generating reports. These skills are organized in a structured way, making them easy to maintain and extend. The main audit skill acts as the orchestrator. It coordinates all sub-agents, combines their outputs, and produces the final result. This architecture demonstrates the power of combining skills with multi-agent workflows. It also shows how parallel execution can dramatically improve efficiency. Beyond the technical implementation, this project has a clear business application. You can use this tool to analyze real businesses and generate valuable insights. You can provide these insights to potential clients, helping them identify issues and opportunities. This creates a natural entry point for offering services. A simple approach is to run an audit for a business and share the report. The report highlights real problems that the business needs to solve. This opens the door for further engagement, such as consulting or ongoing optimization work. The key value you provide is not just the analysis, it is the ability to interpret the results and translate them into business improvements. You bridge the gap between technical findings and practical outcomes. To use this effectively, start by testing the tool on your own projects. Understand how the outputs are structured and identify which insights are most valuable. Focus on high-impact findings when presenting results to clients. Customize your recommendations based on the industry and specific needs of the business. Use each audit as a case study to build credibility and demonstrate results. This project brings together everything covered so far. You are using skills to define reusable workflows. You are using multiple agents to perform tasks in parallel. You are generating professional outputs that deliver real value. Most importantly, you are applying these capabilities to solve real-world problems. This is where technical knowledge becomes business impact. In the next lecture, you will learn how to automate browser interactions and integrate them into your workflows for even more advanced capabilities. See you in the next lecture.